Okay, so we are now in the making of our entry for PAL. So first we have this, we have the sketch, and then we are now converting it to this one. We need to trace, make sure that it's there. Okay. Okay, and then after this, we're going to cut it. Okay. Thank you for watching! This is Dudz Animations. I am constantly making stop-motion animations. Please help me by pressing the subscribe button, then press the bell icon so you will be notified for every new video. Comment, like, and share! Just remember, God is good all the time. So be happy always.